Hello everybody! How to cast your iPad screen or iPhone screen to a computer or either to a projector if you connect it with an HDMI cable or to your TV. Very easy. Check it out, no cables. We want to see our computer in this area here in duplicate screen. To choose it, right? Like I'm doing it here. How to have it? You just need to download to your computer a free software, Lonely Screen, so it will convert your personal computer like if it was an Apple TV. You install it, you launch it, and then you just go to your device, and here you will find duplicate, and you can choose it. Here we go. That's it. I'm there. Now I can move it, and I will see it in my computer. I can also project videos with sound, wherever. Okay, enjoy it. See you next time.